Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear brothers and sisters, this is not a message of hate or division, but a sincere warning about a growing fitna that is affecting Muslims worldwide, the leadership of Maulana Saad Kandhlavi. For years, respected Islamic institutions, including Darul Uloom Deoband, India, Jamiatul Ulama Hatazari, Bangladesh, Darul Uloom Karachi, Pakistan, and senior scholars from South Africa and beyond have issued over 60 fatwas warning Muslims about his misleading statements and dangerous ideology. Maulana Saad has made repeated comments that disrespect the prophets, peace be upon them, the Sahaba, and the righteous scholars of Islam. These deviations have been documented, verified, and condemned by the global ulama. Supporting his views not only endangers one's iman, but risks creating a new misguided sect, a danger explicitly warned about by Darul Uloom Deoband. Our responsibility as Muslims, especially in the West, is to protect our faith and unity by following the guidance of trustworthy scholars, not blindly following one person who refuses shura, consultation, and promotes self-proclaimed leadership. Stay informed, stay connected to authentic scholarship, and protect your iman from fitna. May Allah guide us all to the truth.